What's up guys, Shamil here at New Autoglass, and today is December 31st of 2018, last day of the year, and I want to say thank you guys for giving me this great year, subscribing, watching my videos, commenting. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Also want to give special thanks to Christian with ProSet Autoglass tool for sending me this amazing tool this year, letting me work with that tool. Thank you, ProSet Autoglass tool. Also thank you Victor with WRD, sending me a WRD orange bat. That was also great tool. Thank you Victor and WRD. And also want to thank you Curtis with Marcy products. Marcy sent me 2 big boxes also this year. Thank you again. It was great using all the products, talking about the products, recommending products. I definitely like those products. Thank you guys. You guys have a great year. I hope next year is a better year for everybody. And thank you guys, everybody. If you speak English, thank you. You speak Spanish, gracias. You speak Russian, spasiba. And everybody, Happy New Year. Thanks guys. Bye.